Hey there guys, welcome to K-Sed's double box break number 494 of 1314 Panini Dominion. Last thing that ended the break was the Edmonton Oilers on April 15th at 8:19 p.m. Eastern Time. So eBay's current date and time. Click, reload again. So it's currently Wednesday, April 16th at 1:05 a.m. Eastern Time. So we are live on Breakers TV here. Put people in the room. 494. And these are boxes 3 and 4 from the case, so we don't have any serial numbers because we listed our break before we open our case. So I'll post the break below for people to reference the box numbers that were not in the second one, or in the first one, sorry. The serial numbers shown were 7706 742 47728 4236641. Just let you guys know I will be live tomorrow to do some Flair showcase. We have 2 case breaks lined up, so definitely check those out. And then we'll probably post some cup breaks and maybe a playbook for this weekend, so definitely check for those too. On to the break for tonight, guys. So good luck, everyone. 7728 is our first one. So good luck, everybody. And for anybody that's going out to the Edmonton Summit show, I will be out there on this long weekend here, so definitely stop by and say hi if you're in the Edmonton area. How are we going to do that? Turn on over, just put that to the front. So 6 big cards, and here we go. So we got base of James Reimer out of 299. We got an Eric Stahl gold base out of 50 for the Carolina Hurricane. And we have a rookie patch autograph, card number 156 of Justin Schultz for the Edmonton Oilers. So whoever has Edmonton, I can even message you the code if you like. So Justin Schultz for the Oilers. And we have a stick side signatures of Mike Bossy for the New York Islanders, 20 of 25. Nice hit there for the Islanders. Just turn that over just so. It's got a very sick mammoth patch. This thing is dirty. Miikka Kiprusoff, number 3 of 10. Check the patch on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 breaks. Wow. Wow, that's all I have to say. And we have a Radko Gudas rookie out of 299 for the Lightning. Very, very sick box. I'll answer your question after I'm done broadcasting here, Dwayne. 6641. So far, very good case so far. I haven't seen our short print rookie, our book. And I don't know if we hit anything that we call a premium case hit or anything yet. So pack number 2. Looks like we have something in this one. So here we go, guys. So we have Tyson Barrie at 299 for the Avalanche. So we got base of Thomas Fleischmann out of 299 for the Panthers. We have a mammoth jersey for the Montreal Canadiens. Brandon Gallagher, number 6 of 50. 6 of 50, Brandon Gallagher. A rookie patch, auto gold out of 50 with a fairly decent looking patch on it. Corey Conacher, 21 of 50 for the Senators. And we have a Tuukka Rask base jersey, number 9 of 99 for the Bruins. And it looks like rookie. And fairly nice. Not a bad looking patch. 2 colors, 3 breaks of Nail Yakupov. From 18 of 25. So very nice hit there for Edmonton. So there was the Oilers. If you want tracking on that, just let me know. We'll make arrangements on it. So that concludes the break, guys. So we got boxes 5 and 6 out of the case tomorrow. 5 and 6 out playbook.